Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Sennheiser Momentum headphones. And to do this, here I have the headphones. Make sure that they are connected with smart control to your iPhone or your smartphone. You can check our previous video if you're not sure how to do it. Now I would suggest to plug them into the power source, just in case, so they don't break when we're performing factory reset, and that they have a power supply. Now open the app and go to the settings. In here we can find factory reset. Press on it. It will take up to 30 seconds. The reset restores your headphones to the factory default settings. Take off your headphones before proceeding. After the factory reset, remove the product entries from the Bluetooth pairing list of your smartphone to connect again. Now click on OK, then OK again, and your device should perform factory reset. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.